Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now we all love those lovely simple homemade snacks, don't we? Now there are so many varieties of snacks and some of them can be very complicated. Today I am going to share a simple and great recipe that you can make at home with simple ingredients. We're going to make this delicious and crispy ribbon pakoda. Now this is a thin flour based crisps and it's great for munching. So let's get started and check out the recipe. To make the ribbon pakoda, first I'm going to grind about half cup of roasted chana dal. Transfer the roasted chana dal to the mixer jar and grind it to a nice fine powder. After grinding, transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. Next I'm going to sieve all the ingredients. This will make the dough nice and smooth. To a nice wide bowl or a plate, place the sieve, add the powdered roasted chana dal. Next add 1.5 cups of rice flour. Next add half cup of besan, that is gram flour. Add about 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of chilli powder, about 1/4 teaspoon of hing, and now sieve all the ingredients into the bowl. So if there are any coarse particles, they will be removed. Now we have the nice sieved powder. To this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Just make sure the butter is warm. After adding the melted butter, mix everything along with the flour, and when you hold the flour, it should bind well like this. It should hold shape. Once you've got this consistency, now gradually start pouring water, little at a time, and start mixing the dough. The water should be at room temperature. You don't want to add too much water at a time. Start adding the water little by little and slowly start kneading the dough. So once everything is combined well, you can stop kneading. The dough for making the ribbon pakoda is ready. So I'm going to show you the mold we're going to use to make these pakodas. This is one of the molds that you get in the murukku maker. Place it inside the murukku maker. Just gently rub a little oil along the walls of the press. Take a nice handful of the dough mixture and start filling the cylinder. Next, take a nice wide kadai, pour enough oil for making the murukkus. Make sure the oil is nice and hot before you start pressing it down. You can see how beautifully the dough is coming out of the mold. Once the sizzling stops and you've got this lovely golden brown color, immediately remove from the oil and leave it out for a minute or so. So now you can see we have these delicious and crispy ribbon pakodas that you can make for any occasion, not only for festivals, but you can just make them as a snack at home and you can store it in a nice airtight box or container and you can enjoy. I've showed you how to make this in very simple steps. I hope you guys will try it at home. And please post in your comments. In case you've missed out on the other Diwali recipes, I'll give you the links in the description. Please check them out. So you can see these ribbon pakodas are absolutely crunchy and so nice. Now make sure you cool them completely after you make them, and you can store it in an airtight box or a container and you can keep it for up to 1 week. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.